Hello everyone, I'm Shreya from AsiaNet. Hello Meena ma'am, hello Ansiba,
Hi,
hello.
hi Shreya. Hi.
How are you all?
All doing good. How are you?
I'm good too. Thank you very much. So, ma'am, to begin with my question, I would like to ask you, Meena ma'am, that Drishyam was a blockbuster. Even the Hindi adaptation was a super hit, and audience loved the characters, the story, and they're really looking forward for the second part of it. So, I would like to ask you a very different question. If again Drishyam 2 was to be made into a Hindi adaptation, what would be your favorite actress from the current generation who can ace your role if it has to be made in the Hindi one?
I can't me myself.
Yeah, that's a quick answer.
Well, okay. um, Wait, let me think. Current generation. Uh, I have no idea. I'm sure everybody can do really well. Because all of them are quite talented. Because only you need to look and be able to play little mature, because right now and currently everybody is so what do you say, quite glamour oriented. I am not sure if because this character has a lot of depth, and um, I can't really name one person. It's so difficult. I'm sure someone like Kajol, or someone like that can really do really well. Yes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So, sir, my second question would be to you. As you mentioned that you were very young when the shooting for Drishyam was going on, and I believe that after one film gets over, a particular actor takes away some of the other kind of an experience or a takeaway from the movie. So, what was your learning, or what was your cherished memory that you will, remember for the rest of your life, and for the acting career that you have in your future?
Well, I'm glad I did that movie, because initially I was not too keen on coming back, and that was the time when I had my daughter, and she was too young, and I was not sure whether to come back to movies, or or maybe wait for some more time to come back to movies, or that it's a very confusing phase of my life. And then but Anthony was like pretty adamant that I should do this, and he was very sure that I can really do justice to that character and for that movie, and I'm glad I listened to him. So I would say it was it was the right decision and a good decision I made to do that, because I never expected that I would be getting this kind of response. Because normally when women, after a wedding, after kids, their life is entirely different. It's not like before. So I was like welcomed with red carpet, and with lots of love, and I was like really really surprised, and I was so extremely happy for that kind of welcome. And I came up. It's like I came back with a bang. You can say something like that. And I'm glad I did that movie.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So my next question would be to the daughters of George Kutti, and I would like to ask both of you that even though your characters are one of the prominent one into the film, and we having a star cast like Meena ma'am and Mohan Lal sir, it was very easy for you to get a little bit, suppressed, but it bloomed out to be beautifully, and the trailer is getting applauded for the portrayal of the women character in the film. So what's your take about this whole character building and an opportunity to get to play this kind of an characters? The question is for the both of you.
When we did Drishyam 1, we never knew it will go to this extent, and we never realized that we'll go to this level, and all the world will speak about Drishyam. And we are very blessed to get such characters such a young age, for me and Esther also, because we never thought that we would get such characters in cinema at the initial stage, and we got by God's blessing, and we are very happy for that. And we cannot reveal much more about our characters in this film because it's a dark thriller movie. So how can we tell all about this movie? That's the main problem of our characters. We cannot reveal most of the stuff in movies. So wait and watch.
Okay.
Yeah.
You?
So when I was doing Drishyam, it was not my first film with Lal Uncle. So, and also I was pretty young. I think my second film was with Lal Uncle. After that, coming to Drishyam, you're like, oh, I know him from the film. And I remember him as a very friendly person. So I cannot say I was nervous, but, and also as you're young, I was a very talkative person. So, I go around, talk to people, and it was a much friendly place. So, and I have never expected the film to turn out, not in my wildest dreams, I'm thinking it's going to have this impact. Because I did not read the script, I didn't know the story. So on the first day I was watching the film, I had the same reaction as the audience because I didn't know what was going to happen. I was like, oh my God, so this here? Wow. So, that excitement is still there when I'm doing Drishyam 2. At one point I was like, I don't even want to read the script because, this excitement is going to, because I know the story, but I had to read it and, and what do you say, coming to Drishyam 2, it was nice. There were a lot of takeaways, learning experience, be it Lal Uncle, Meena Auntie or Jeetu Uncle. It was very nice.
Thank you very much, ladies, for your time and all the very best for the movie. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.